Hi friends, welcome to the Forgotten Lore. How are you? I believe all of you are fine. I am also fine. Everything is fine. All is well. Come on friends, today let us enter inside our channel, The Forgotten Lore. Friends, this is the sundakai plant or the turkey berry plant. You can enjoy the plant. It is with full of berries and flowers. From this now I am going to harvest and I will use for today's preparation. In our channel already I have posted and discussed about these plants few recipes and their health benefits. I will give the link in the iCards. So in this video I will give a few recap also about our previous videos so that you can enjoy and refer that one. See friends, I have harvested fresh sundakai or turkey berry from our farm. This one I am going to clean. The cleaning process already we have discussed in our earlier videos. You can refer that one. I will give the link in the iCards. Now we have to remove it one by one and then we have to cut it into two pieces for today's preparation. Friends, to prepare this turkey berry or sundakai bath rice, we have to cut this turkey berry or sundakai into two halves. We should not crush it. Okay. For other preparations we used to crush it, but for this we have to cut it into two pieces and directly put it in water. We have to all the cut berries from water by using a strainer. Here also we should not crush it. Simply we have to mix it with a spatula so that the seeds will be intact inside the berry. We need the seeds for this preparation. Friends, this is dried onion ball. Many ingredients are added with this: onion, turmeric powder, chili, asafoetida, fenugreek, mustard, cumin. Like this many ingredients are added, and castor oil, coconut oil and groundnut oil are added for this preparation. From this few dried onions we will take and we will use now. Now let us see the materials needed. Mustard I have taken, little of fenugreek, and then pieces of asafoetida, that is hing, then turmeric powder, then little quantity of either sambar powder or chili powder, then dried onions, then few pods of garlic and few shallots, small onions. These things I have collected directly from my farm. Now I will wash it. Little quantity of saunf or anise seeds, little quantity of khaskhas or poppy seeds, and then little piece of cinnamon, and then dried coconut pieces, that is copra. One big tomato sliced. I have collected the cut sundakai or this turkey berry from water. See, they are as fresh as we have collected. The color did not change. One handful of tur dal. Now I have kept the cooker for the preparation. In this I am adding oil. The oil has to get heated. In that I am adding the seasoning materials: mustard, then fenugreek, that is methi, with this hing, that is asafoetida pieces also I have added. Now they have started to splutter. Now I am adding the washed whole shallots, the small onions. I did not cut it. For this preparation we need not cut it. With this I am adding the whole garlic, peeled garlic pods. We have to nicely stir fry it. Here with this now I am adding the dried onion pieces. These dried onions and other ingredients I have taken from the onion ball. which I have showed earlier in this video. From that I have separated so that I got the few pieces of onion, mustard, cumin, asafoetida, everything. And now I am adding the sliced tomato. With this we have to fry it. Along with this I am adding the cut turkey berry pieces. Already we have collected this one now. So this one now I am adding. We have to mix it thoroughly. Now with this I am adding saunf, that is anise seeds, then cuscus, poppy seeds, then cinnamon pieces. Again stir it nicely. We will get a pleasant odor. Nicely we have to mix it in the oil, with the oil. And now I am adding the washed tur dal, and then turmeric powder and sambar powder. This sambar powder is specially prepared for Bisi-belabath. One day I will give the recipe and I will post the recipe of Bisi-belabath powder preparation. Now we have to add the needed quantity of water in this and mix it nicely. Now already we have soaked the rice. That rice we are removing from water and we have to add inside the cooker with all the ingredients. The needed quantity of salt we have to add. Now I am using the crystal salt. Already we have measured and kept water now, so that water we have to add. Since we are making the bath, Bisi-belabath, little more quantity of water we can add so that it will make a delicious one. And then the dried coconut pieces, copra pieces also now we have to add. While cooking it will be very after cooking the copra pieces will become a delicious meal. After 5 whistles I have removed the cooker and now I am opening it. The smell is very nice. The food is ready. We have to mix it with a spoon. As a side dish for this, I am going to prepare these fryams. These fryams are homemade. I have prepared with the help of my mom. This is prepared from rice. So I will post the procedure of this one day in one video. Now let us fry that one. So in a dry vessel, I am adding oil. Little quantity of oil is needed. We need not put many liters of oil. Here only very few spoons of oil I have added. This is enough for frying the fryams. Now the oil is hot enough. So very few fryams we can add in the oil and we can fry it. If we put more oil, we cannot use the oil for the second time because that is not good for health now. Now the fryams are ready, friends. We have to add boiling oil to any kind of Bisi-belabath. So I am not going to boil the oil separately. After frying these fryams, the oil is hot. So the same oil I am going to add with this one. So after adding the hot oil with any preparation of this bath, rice or Bisi-belabath, we have to mix it thoroughly by using a bowl or a spatula. Friends, now the delicious food is ready. To this food as a side dish I have taken tapioca chips or cassava chips. and the rice frames which we have prepared now. Come on friends, let us taste and enjoy the food. Then we will discuss about the goodness of this plant. So friends, thank you for watching the video patiently. Whenever you get time, kindly watch all my videos and give me your precious comments and feedback in the comment section so that I can improve my channel and my way of presentation. Kindly support me and encourage me by supporting and subscribing my channel. So friends, meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. See you. Bye bye. Best wishes.